Hey y'all, my name's Dora, and today I'm making a very special oatmeal and milk bath bomb that is great for your skin. There are lots of wonderful ingredients used in this bath bomb that are very beneficial. Oatmeal is great for soothing irritated, dry, or itchy skin. It can also help with stings, bites, and hives. Milk softens, calms, and soothes skin. Cocoa butter is a moisturizer and prevents signs of aging like wrinkles and sunspots. And bentonite clay removes toxins, boosts immunities, and heals wounds. For the fragrance oil, I used vanilla lace and warm vanilla sugar. These are both sweet but subtle scents, and they paired perfectly with the oatmeal and the coconut milk powder. This bath bomb smelled amazing. It made me really hungry though. This step is optional and not at all necessary. I did it to add variety and interest and to make this bath bomb more aesthetically pleasing. I really just didn't want a plain white bath bomb. So the sodium lauryl sulfoacetate adds foam and lather. The cocoa butter and oatmeal are beneficial ingredients that also serve as decoration. And the walnut shells add color, as well as a certain granular flair. Ooh, see right there, the thin swirl-like layer, that is due to the decorational ingredients that I added. This is an option if you want to fill the bowl with oatmeal but don't want the mess of cleaning out your tub. This option keeps everything clean and contained, and I just love the way this came out. It's very chic but also has a very rustic feel at the same time. I feel like this would make a great gift, and it's beautiful too. You see this little frou-frou thing I'm doing on top? It makes it just so pretty. You'll see. So I didn't measure the cheesecloth, I just cut a square to fit the bath bomb. So after you've wrapped the bath bomb, you may want to clean up the little frou-frou thing on top a bit. Simply cut off where there's too much fabric hanging. Okay, so these were definitely a win. I love these. So they performed wonderfully. They're vibrant and they have thick bubbles and rich foam. They also smell amazing and infuse the bath water with notes of vanilla, oatmeal, and hints of coconut milk. They also turn the bath water an opaque white, which I love because it adds to the, the whole luxurious milk bath vibe. You see right there, those little like bright yellow golden shiny pieces, that's the cocoa butter. So the entire time the bath bomb is letting out this frothy milky white foam, and then every now and then a small piece of cocoa butter will float up and melt in the water, which moisturizes your skin even more than the milk does. Okay, so here's the cheesecloth wrapped bath bomb with the bowl of oatmeal on top. It looks so pretty. It was actually my favorite one. It lasted the longest, like 3 or 4 times longer than the other ones. Compared to the other ones, it didn't have as much vigor or fizz, but it had a thicker and more lush foam. This bath bomb worked wonderfully as a bath poof. You know those puffy balls with the net material that you put shower gel on and it gets all lathery and soapy and you wash your body with it? I used this as one of those and it was wonderful. So in conclusion, this is a luxurious bath bomb that's fun and also extremely good for your skin. So I guess you could say it's beneficial to your physical health as well as your mental and emotional health, because I know I was in a great mood after bathing and relaxing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative bath videos and ideas. Oh, also, the supplies used in this tutorial will be linked in the description.